So here's the cooked dal. If you cook on a stovetop or in a pressure cooker or a crock pot, you want to cook it until it's nice and soft. And then we're just using ghee, like a large tablespoon of ghee, to pop the seeds in the chili. So we temper the spices, the whole spices first. So we've got an arbol chili that we took the seeds out of already. We're going to use about a half teaspoon of black mustard seeds and turmeric. And then also we'll use one serrano pepper and about a quarter-sized piece of ginger and some tomatoes. So you can just use one whole tomato. We are using the cherry tomatoes because it's wintertime, so they're more in season. So adding the mustard seeds, and you're going to cook these in ghee or high heat oil until the mustard seeds start to pop. And so you're tempering the spices. After you've done all of this, after you've added in the ginger, the serrano pepper, and the tomatoes, and you let them saute, you can also use a mortar and pestle to crush some garlic to add as well. And then we're going to add it and cook the dal.